Hello everyone, my name is Swarniti from class 7C. Thank you for the chance given to me to give out my opinion about the questions of educational management project. For this chance, I am going to answer the first questions. The question is, there are various terms and definitions of educational management that can be found in various books. The question number A, describe some of the sense that you think are best suited to the condition of educational management in Indonesia today. Number B, what challenge do you think that is important to be observed and addressed in order to make a realization to a successful education management in Indonesia? My opinion to that question is, first, for the question number A, many figures propose the definition of educational management, but there are lots of them that cannot be accepted because the definition is considered incompatible with the state of educational management in Indonesia today. The first one is the definition from Bush and Coleman, stated that educational management is a field of study and practice concerned with the operations of educational organizations. It means that educational management should be focused on educational goals. This goal gives significance to the direction of management. Management is directed to achieving specific education objectives within a specific time. The connection between objectives and management are very close, but it can lead to a managerialism, namely the emphasis on procedures at the expense of educational purposes and value. There is also a definition of educational management which is defined as the whole process of joint of activities in the field of education by utilizing all existing facilities, whether personal, material, and spiritual, to achieve educational goals. The point of this joint activity undertaken by all parties involved in the management of education itself, by utilizing all the facilities available to achieve the better education. Those two opinions above is already good enough, but not so good or appropriate to be applied in Indonesia based on the condition of educational management in Indonesia that exists today. I think the most suitable definition for educational management in Indonesia is a conscious effort or unconsciously process in the planning, implementation, monitoring, and evaluation in order to achieve a common goal. A conscious effort is meant here is to repeat the success of existing and prevent the failure. The process of planning, implementation, monitoring, and evaluation should be carried firmly and based on the data that is made to existing standard. Achieve a common goal intention is to involve all parties on the result of the discussion. So, the management of education in Indonesia, we can call it as an achievement management or management prestasi, because it refers to achievement in accordance with the step. Management is not only about how to achieve the goals that have been set, but how the management can work well and universal. The function of management itself is planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling. For the first one is planning. When preparing the activities of educational institution, the sufficient and valid data are needed. Also, the consideration and thought by number of people associated with it are planned. Therefore, the planning should involve all elements of the educational institutions in order to improve the quality of education.
Created using Powtoon.